C-Rad.
Greetings and salivations, everyone! I'm Krista, and welcome to C-Rad's Baby Yoda territory, home of the child merchandise news and reviews, DIYs, and more. And if you love Baby Yoda as much as we do, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future. Today, I have a quick and easy DIY that can be used to change the Halloween child, the greeter, into an anytime greeter. Now, if you missed the video where I got this precious little guy, I'll put the link to it right there for you, and you can also always find it on our Baby Yoda Obsession playlist on our channel. Now, I love that he's a little Halloween greeter, and I love the little Mando pumpkin, but I wanted to be able to use him throughout the year in the house, so instead of waiting for Walmart to come out with a child greeter for each holiday, I'm going to show you a way that you can take the pumpkin off, add some things to his hands and to whatever you're going to put in there, and you can use them for any holiday. Or even non-holiday. I've got some non-holiday ideas too. I haven't taken the pumpkin off his hands yet, so I'm just going to do that right now and show you how super easy it is. It's on there just by a couple threads, so this should be pretty simple. So looking at his hands, the threads are on there, but they're a little tight, so you do want to make sure that the scissors that you use are going to be kind of narrow. But I'm just going to slide the scissors right in there underneath the thread and snip it off. And look, already got one hand off there. Then I'm going to find the spot on the other hand and do the same thing. I'm trying to be very careful not to cut holes into the pumpkin. He is also attached on his robe, so we're going to have to snip those off as well. But it's the same thing, it's just a couple little threads. Oop, and there goes the pumpkin. There it is, detached. Now, if you're worried about attaching it back on at some point, I'm going to show you the same way that I'm going to attach everything else, and we're going to add that to the pumpkin as well. So now we've just got the greeter. He's got nothing on there. He's hands-free. So now I'm going to show you what to do to put other things in this awesome little Baby Yoda's hands. Now, I had originally thought magnets, and magnets would work too, but when I went to Walmart to get my supplies to do this, they didn't have any, but I came across something else and I was like, oh, that's just as good, so we will do that. We're gonna do Velcro. And actually, in the long run, some of the things that you might want to add this to, Velcro might be a better alternative, and it's actually a little bit less expensive. I got these at Walmart. I think it was $3 for the little 2-pack, and it's got the hook and loop and then the other side. And it has adhesive backing, so in theory, it should just stick to whatever we're putting it onto. If not, I can always use a little bit of hot glue to hold it on there. So for his hands, I'll put the little Velcro up there. You can see you'd need maybe about like an inch long and cut that off. I've already done that, so I have two little pieces here. We're just going to take the adhesive backing off and attach it to his hand, and guys, that stuck right away. That's on there really good. It will pull off if you need it to, but very, very secure. So awesome. Now I've got both hands done. I used the rougher side of the Velcro for his hands, and then I'm going to use the softer side for the things I'm putting it on. And then if I run out of that, I have lots of extra of this kind to use on things I want to add to him as well. So Christmas is coming, and that is one of my favorite holidays, and I was hoping that Walmart would have their Christmas greeter out by now, but they do not, but that's okay. I found this awesome Christmas ball when I was there today. This thing is huge, and we're gonna put that on him along with some accessories. So let me show you how we do that and turn him from Halloween greeter to Christmas greeter. Now, to make sure this goes exactly where I want it on that Christmas ball, I've actually attached the other side of the Velcro to his hands. And I haven't taken the sticky stuff off yet. But then I'm going to take the sticky backing off, kind of hold him and eye him up and put the ball there. That way the Velcro on the ball is exactly where I want it to be. Guys, look how simple and easy that was. It's attached really good. It's not falling off there anywhere. But when I want to change them and take them off, I just take the Velcro off and you can remove the ball. he's almost a awesome Christmas greeter. But you know, for Christmas you kind of have to go over the top and all kinds of fun. So I picked up 2 different accessories today that I'm thinking about using on his head, and whatever I don't use on his head for Christmas will go on one of my other Baby Yodas. The first thing I got was a actually hat and stocking set at Walmart, and it says My First Christmas. Now you can either leave it that way or you can turn it around and use the backside just to get a plain Santa hat. I thought it was cute and adorable just sitting on his head like that. If I decide to use the Christmas hat on him, I'm just going to take some safety pins and kind of safety pin it around so that it stays on there. That way I'm not having to put Velcro on his head that you could see later. But how cute is he with the Santa hat, guys? I love it. But the other fun accessory that I got at Walmart, reindeer ears. Let's put those on him. I can't decide which I like better, the Santa hat or the little reindeer ears. I'm probably going to go with the reindeer ears. One, they're Sherpa, like his little collar here, which is super duper cute. And the other thing is, guys, check this out. They blink. How fun is that? So he went from Halloween greeter to Christmas greeter in just a quick snap of the fingers. Guys, with this quick and simple way to make modifications to this guy, the possibilities are endless. You could have him holding a turkey for Thanksgiving, an Easter egg or an Easter basket for Easter. I actually have a smaller silver ball like this one. It's a little bit smaller. It's in my Christmas decorations right now, but when I pull those down in a month or so, I'm going to paint it to look like the shifter knob. Yes! And I'm, of course, also on a hunt for something that I can use as the little bone broth bowl, and I'm definitely going to find that. But same thing, you just add Velcro to it, and voila! You've got a Baby Yoda greeter. Now guys, like I mentioned, you can do it for any holiday, and how cute would this be as a little Baby Yoda gift bag? You can celebrate birthdays! Too bad I did not film this before Conrad's birthday, and I would have been able to use him for that, but that's okay. We got it for my birthday, which is coming up in December. My little Baby Yoda birthday buddy. And of course I'm going to reattach the pumpkin since it's Halloween time, so I've got the little Velcro on there for that. I've already sized it up so that I can just attach his hands to it. Poom poom. And just like that, guys, he's back to holding his little original Mando pumpkin there. So, got him ready for Halloween, and I have him ready for the rest of the year, so he is not just a Halloween decoration anymore. Yay! So excited. But anyway, guys, I hope you liked this little quick and easy how-to. If you did, let me know in the comments, and also let me know by giving us a thumbs up. And if you want to see more Baby Yoda awesome videos and totally rad things, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss seeing us in the future. And I guess there's only one thing left to say. Right, dude? We'll see you later.